Hi, I am Diana, and I'm new to GibbsCAM's Avatar team. Glad to see you. Today I reveal the secret behind becoming productive so extraordinary fast with GibbsCAM. It's so simple. In GibbsCAM, functions and features are not hidden behind grandiose terms. It's made by machinists for machinists. And this is the reason why it speaks the language of the machine tool operators. Beginners stay in their familiar conceptual world and doesn't have to get used to a new terminology and working method. That's the simple truth. Why you can expect to get best results out of your work with GibbsCAM doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a professional. And this is what customers say.
GibbsCAM fits the way we think and work. It must have been designed by a machinist.
I feel like a machinist again. You don't feel like you're being wrestled by a CAM system. It's not driving you, you're driving it.
You will be impressed by the intuitive user interface too. Download our free trial version and find it out.